YouTube, Jason Rise back at it with another video. Tried to get the Mustang, Lil Bro's Mustang on the channel. Never really worked out, but finally was able to get it on.
Dirty, don't mind.
Yeah, I don't mind. It's a little dirty. There's Lil Bro right there. Most start.
Hurry up before I change your mind.
Alright, take over the camera.
Take over the camera. And y'all pray for me with this hooligan behind the wheel. You don't tear my car up.
No, sir, we will not tear up your car. I'm not even going to be punching it. I'm not doing it.
Why not?
Yeah, man. In the Mustang.
Y'all tell him to stop being scary.
I'm not being scary.
He's being scary.
If it ain't my car,
Well, it's your brother's car, and I said you can, so go for it.
no, mom and dad.
I don't care. It's my car. What they gonna tell me? Here, foot on the brake. Giddy out taking this down.
Alright. That's neutral. Alright, I'm off.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I'm trying to get used to these brakes.
Got the
But a lot harder than my truck's brakes.
Yeah, we got the Brembos on the performance pack, so brothers out here struggling.
Alright, Lil Bro, you want to tell the channel about the car and everything?
Not much to tell. It's stock other than spacers. We got the lowering kit, or lowering springs, and we just gotta get them on. Got a grill and a bat and some new badges coming in the mail. Ordered some tint.
Okay. Yeah, y'all gonna end up seeing a video on that. But you know, as y'all know, I'm gonna end up trying to get a Mustang sometime next year. So this is just to see if I really want this platform or, you know, something more older, because I really like the 2003, 2004 SVT cover, but it's gonna be a little tough trying to get one of those. Like 20, 30,000, they just keep going up.
That's how much one of these would be.
Yeah, but you can also finance one of these, a Cobra. I would have to pay that out of pocket. So,
You can get a
dang,
oh, buddy, come on.
these
Here. Then it's sport.
yeah.
Go ahead. Give it a little gas. Boy, that little baby pool.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tear your car up. It ain't my car, so I ain't beating on it. It's a respect thing. So, yeah, man. As y'all see, the 10-speed shifts like that compared to the MT82s. I don't know. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all would see the little videos and pictures I have of Dad's old red 2018 Mustang. His was the MT82 transmission, and you know, like it would end up like kind of locking you out of gear, which really sucked. Everything else about the car was amazing. Yeah, man. Overall, I kind of like it. It's still gonna be Mustang over Chevy, LS.
That gang.
Nah, Yodi gang,
Nah.
Termy gang, all
You
that.
dumb. You take a
SVT.
5.0 over a vet. You got your mind.
Nah, I take one of these, put a blower on it, gap a Hellcat every day of the week.
Yeah, what about the Z06? Which one? Oh,
Now I just gotta stack up bread.
okay. You gonna have to stack up a lot of bread.
Get a 4GT.
Especially that C8 Z06 over 600 horse, naturally aspirated. What you gonna do? Turn
It ain't my car.
Yeah, that doesn't mean go 20 under the whole way.
Sounds pretty good too.
Yeah, he was talking about my X-Pipe.
Yeah, I never really liked the ones that my buddy James got on his. I don't really like them.
He dissing you, James. You gotta comfort this man.
Yeah, James' car is cold. I ain't gonna care, but I just never really liked the X-Pipe on these cars. I
It's
guess
alright. All this stuff the other owner put on is temporary. I'm getting a Corsa Double X. Probably do a full Corsa.
If I wasn't gonna keep this car, I'm not gonna go all out.
It's alright. It's gonna pain me to get rid of it, but when the vet comes, I think I'll feel a little better.
Feel a little better, and then you get and be like, Dad, you'll get one of these as the daily.
Nah, if I get a vet, go get me a mom car. I'll go get a freaking Honda Accord.
I would. Like, I kind of want to play with the pedals. I'm not tearing your transmission, and this trans is this trans is expensive.
Yeah, you paying me that, and you just have to sell your truck and pay me back.
Man. Sorry, y'all, if we ain't talking too much. Just trying to really focus on I'm driving right now. Is that Stacy?
Yeah, that's the Beetle and that little thing they be riding on. Just keep it moving. Careful on that dip. There's cops all down this road.
Yeah, we're just giving them the speed limit. Paddles are kind of weird though.
Small. Yeah, but I'm not gonna buy no paddle extenders because they look stupid. And I use the paddles every once in a while, but it's not worth going in. Turn left a little bit, get away from this bump.
Yeah, man, we're gonna cut the camera here. Stay tuned for part 2 of this one. We're gonna get to the spot, and Lil Bro can tell y'all a little more about the car, all that stuff. We'll do a walk around. Yeah, man, it's been your boy Jay's Garage. Tuning in for another one. I'm out.